Hi everybody, welcome. My name is Jessica. Today I'm going to share a review on Dove's Scalp Hair Therapy Clarifying Shampoo. I've been using this clarifying shampoo for about 3 months and I'm ready to share my thoughts. So I purchased this shampoo on Amazon for less than $10 for the 9.25 ounce bottle. So I am going to start by talking about the packaging. So this is what it looks like. The top is nice and wide, and to open it you just press the top down, and to close it you press it back down. This was one thing I did not like. I feel like it's a little hard for me to open it up and then to close it. It takes too much work, especially when you're in the shower, so that was a con for me. But it's something I can live with, but it's something that I'm not too excited about. So now I'm going to talk about the clarifying shampoo itself. It's supposed to make your hair thicker, stronger, and fuller from root to tip. It is infused with vitamins B3 and E, zinc, and peptides. It has 0 sulfates, and according to the bottle, it cares for the scalp, nourishes the roots, and strengthens the hair fibers. So this clarifying shampoo has some fragrance added. It's a really nice, clean scent. That's the only way I can describe it. It just smells really, really clean. It's not overwhelming. The scent does linger on your hair, but it's just very soft and refreshing. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's like a gel-like texture to it. It's not sticky. It's not like super thick like gel. It just has like a gel feel to it. It's clear. There's no color added to it. It lathers up very, very, very nicely. The way you use this product is that you apply it to your wet hair, really focusing on the scalp. Massage it into your scalp to loosen up any buildup or anything that's on your, any hair product buildup that's on your scalp, and then wash it out. So that is what I did. I gave my scalp a nice gentle massage for 3 to 5 minutes just so I can make sure to help loosen up any buildup on my scalp, and also to give the product some time to do its job so it can nourish the scalp and do what it's meant to do. After I was done, my scalp felt a lot cleaner, and I've been using it for about 3 months, and I can say that I have definitely felt a difference in the health of my hair on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not very dry and 10 being super dry. I would give this about a 4. So it's not very drying at all, which I really liked, and my scalp really likes that. And it has really helped the health of my scalp. I don't need to clarify too much because I don't use very many hair products in my hair, so I've only been using this twice a month, and that has worked perfectly for me. It's very gentle on my scalp and hair, and it does a great job at deep cleaning. I've been really happy with the scalp therapy that this has been providing for my scalp. I will continue to use this for my hair. That is my review on this clarifying shampoo. If you have tried it, please share in the comments what you think about this product. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!